Hello everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International, and this is our technique series. And as you know, right now we are on A major. That A major has 3 sharps. Okay, so if you are new here on this video and you just clicked on it, I absolutely advise you to first to listen to what and why we're doing scales, and definitely do C major part 1 and part 2, so you will be comfortable to play more of these scales. We do have G major, we have in D major as well, but definitely at least listen to those if you never played scales before. Anyhow, so here it's A major. So why it's A major? Because it's a 5th higher from D. So you go a 5th higher, D, E, F, G, A, right? 5 notes apart. And from the D that has 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp, right now we're having again F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So how you play that? Not big deal, exactly the same fingering as C major, as G major, as D major, okay? So it's gonna be no brainer. You can do it in the next 10 minutes. How you play that? 1, 2, 3, under, 1, 2, F sharp, G sharp, A, okay? So it's the same pattern, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. So when you're gonna see in a piece that you're gonna play 3 sharps, those 3 sharps must be F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And those 3 sharps, if it's, so that means all F sharps all over the keys, all C sharp, C, they're gonna be C sharps, and G's, all you must play sharps, because you are in A major scale, okay? So those F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. So let's get played right now again. A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. You're going back. Easy as that. First notes, and then 3, 2, 1, exactly like C major, exactly the same, but this time you start with A, you end with A, okay, and you play the sharps, and same pattern, both hands. To do it again a little tiny bit more for those that they want to play it 2 octaves. So starting with 1 octave, but instead of landing with number 5 or on the right hand, you're gonna land with 1. So both hands, they are on A. Left hand starts number 4 on B. Right hand immediately is gonna be with number 1 here. Practice first 1 hand at a time, and then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you have pattern of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can practice this little exercise, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Going back, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So you can just go like that and have fun, find the keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand is gonna be all 5 this time as you're starting, and then 3, 2, 1. And then again, find 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Backwards. 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So you can have this little exercise for a little bit. I'm not that fond of this exercise, to tell you the truth. But if you want to do it, you can. It's suggested. Some students, they like it. Some, they really don't like it. So you can try it right now, both hands. But what I'm suggesting is to go 1 octave. And definitely to stop here a little bit, to pause for an extra beat or 2, 3 more beats. And then left hand starts 4 and think the fingering. And then going back, stop here, number 4 here, and then 3 under. Exactly the same way as we did G major and D major. And then back. So you do know you gotta practice slow as you can practice, right? Don't play too fast. Or maybe you wanna go even further. 1 more octave, 3 octaves. After you know it better, show off even faster because I don't. But it's fun. When you do know these scales, it's really fun to play. So do practice this one according to your level, and please comment in the link below. Eventually you can attach your link with your practice. That would be great. Thank you so much. And next one, guess what? It's gonna be, which one? Do you know it? E major, 4 sharps. So we're having a 5th apart, right? E major, 4 sharps. What are the sharps? Again, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and right now we're adding a 4th one that is gonna be the D sharp. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5–10 a month will really go a long way. All our family, friends, and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.